How to sell options on Robinhood before expiry. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sell options on Robinhood before expiry. Now if you want to sell options on Robinhood before expiry, then you can follow these general steps. Now keep in mind that option trading involves risk, and it's essential to understand the mechanism of options and the potential outcome as well. Now first of all, you need to open up your Robinhood and log into your account. Then within the app, navigate to the option trading section. For that, head over to your profile and go to the option suite. Now choose a specific option, contract, call or put that you want to sell. Go ahead and tap the magnifying icon and type in the asset that you wish to trade. Now once you've selected the option, look for the option to sell or close. This indicates your closing an existing position. Enter the quantity of option contract you want to sell. Keep in mind that one option contract typically represents 100 shares of underlying asset. Specify the price at which you want to sell the options. You can choose between market order, execute at the current market price, or limited orders, execute at a specific price as well. You can review the order detail including the quantity, price and associated fees. Confirm the order when you are ready. Now keep an eye on your order execute. Once the order is fulfilled, you have successfully sold the options. So in that way you can sell options on Robinhood before expiry. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.